Good afternoon. A very warm afternoon to come for some areas of England, particularly across the east and central areas. Further west, though, some heavy bands of rain have been bringing some outbreaks for parts of Wales, northwest England, parts of western Scotland, Northern Ireland too, as well as some areas of the south coast. That's where we've seen the rain so far. Through the rest of this afternoon, that rain will ever so slowly move south and eastward. So ahead of it, the sunshine will turn a little bit hazier, but there is a risk of some quite heavy downpours, particularly across northwestern areas of Scotland, but also into northeastern England, eastern areas, southeastern Scotland, parts of the Midlands, possibly some showers developing across the south and east later. But ahead of that, temperatures will likely climb into the high 20s, 25 to 26 degrees, quite likely for many central and eastern areas of England, but 29 degrees as the absolute max across the far southeast. Elsewhere, much fresher with more cloud around, but still temperatures around average and still feeling quite warm for the likes of eastern Scotland, for example. So through this evening, a further risk of some heavy showers, particularly across the north. They become more restricted to the north and east as the evening goes on, as it will turn much drier overnight tonight. So a clear and dry night for many of us. Perhaps a few patches of mist and fog, particularly across some southern counties. But for many of us, a clear start to the day, but a slightly fresher start than this morning. Temperatures will widely be down in single figures rurally, just above that for many towns and cities. It was a particularly mild night last night. Now, there's a bit of a breeze developing across western areas of Scotland, the north coast of Northern Ireland as well through Thursday morning. That will drag in a few showers, potentially some further heavy ones. We could also see the odd shower for parts of Wales, northwestern England, but I think most of us will get away with a relatively dry day on Thursday, particularly as similar to today across southern and eastern areas of England. Many eastern areas of Scotland as well staying dry through the day, and it will feel fairly warm in the sunshine, but we've got slightly fresher air with us tomorrow after the fresher night tonight, and so temperatures will be a little bit down, 23 or 24 degrees at best, but still just about average for the time of year, but not too bad in any sunshine. Now, showers will continue across the north and west through Thursday evening, but overnight it will turn much drier more widely, and that's because we're going to be seeing high pressure building in for the end of the week and the start of the weekend. It pushes in from the south and west and will bring a more widely sunny day for Friday, and it will feel fairly warm once again. That should last for much of Saturday as well, but stay tuned for your full weekend forecast. Why not check out our 10-day trend later on today on YouTube. See you soon. Bye-bye.